We rely on brilliant digital assistants to do our heavy lifting, but they suffer from a severe case of digital amnesia. You feed them a dozen complex documents, they give you a great answer, and by the very next task, they've forgotten everything. We're asking a tool built for rapid, creative thinking to also act as an infinite, perfectly accurate filing cabinet. Those are two completely different jobs. Modern knowledge work often attempts to use a single monolithic AI as both a creative engine and a long-term hard drive, but these roles conflict. A processor designed for speed and synthesis lacks the structural safeguards required to hold on to a static history of information. Here's the fix. We must stop treating AI as an all-in-one box and split the workload. We need one dedicated engine for execution and a completely separate secure node just for memory. Forcing one chatbot to handle both jobs is the cause of lost research, of broken digital workflows, and of sudden hallucinations. Think about standard custom GPTs. They are incredibly fast execution processors. They can adopt a specific persona, automate a repetitive writing task, or synthesize a messy abstract idea in seconds. But over a long conversation, their context begins to drift. The facts you established in prompt number 1 get diluted or lost entirely by prompt number 10. Large language models are prediction engines. They generate text by statistically guessing the next word, not by pulling from a database of facts. This statistical guessing causes confident hallucinations. The model guesses wrong, but outputs the error with absolute authority. That margin of error is fine for brainstorming a marketing email. It is disastrous if you are conducting a legal review, managing enterprise data, or citing academic research. So, custom GPTs are brilliant processors, but by design, they are broken hard drives. To fix the memory problem, Google built NotebookLM on a totally different set of rules. This animation shows source grounding. NotebookLM mathematically restricts its knowledge base to the specific documents you upload, locking out the internet. Because of this boundary, every answer is tethered directly to a clickable paragraph in your files. You can load dozen dense PDFs, build a verified study guide, cross-reference contradictory reports, and maintain a perfect project memory. Closing the loop this way forces the model to verify every word against the uploaded data, making hallucinations vanish. In this architecture, the system is mathematically forbidden from referencing anything outside the vault. In a professional setting, accuracy isn't just a nice feature, it's a liability issue. An AI hallucinating a financial metric inside a client proposal can ruin a reputation. Look at this visual of a digital vault. While standard public models aggressively harvest conversations to train future versions, NotebookLM operates as an enterprise-grade silo. Your uploaded data is never reviewed by human eyes, and it is strictly prohibited from training Google's foundational models. A digital second brain is useless if the memory is legally risky, vulnerable to contamination, or quietly fed to the public. Professionals often treat custom GPTs and NotebookLM as competitors. In practice, the most efficient workflows network these two distinct nodes together. This flowchart shows modular intelligence. First, NotebookLM acts as your memory layer, synthesizing messy research into verified insights. Then you feed that perfect data into a Gemini gem for the creative work, drafting emails, presentations, or writing code. By networking execution and memory, the user builds a modular, externalized cognitive operating system. To actually scale your own expertise, you have to divide the digital labor. Keep the trustworthy memory separate from this synthetic confidence, and let each tool do exactly what it was built for. So you have the memory, and you have the processor. Next time, we'll look at what happens when you set this networked system to conduct its own autonomous research, entirely while you sleep.